wife is very neat too. Look at her pants, no even single dirty on it. Me and Atasam now, they can't even tell her she drink the water. Very neat woman. If it were to be all this my wife's in the house, more especially that big one that left me, Dorothy. If you see her pants money, she age of battle with her pants.
Oh man, you're very funny.
Thank you.
All the same. Thank you very much.
Can't do that again. Hey.
Who's that? Who's that?
Oh no.
So you're here. You're here? Huh? This is cousin. Your pregnancy wife is at home. Can I use his monies? Huh? Trust. Zedras. Touch me problem. Huh? Romantics me problem. Leng le papa tigene romance gna sia. Ya frogo we see none. Huh? You back it and when I marriage na
Woman, please stop disturbing my peace.
Don't mind her. She's just being jealous because she saw me washing clothes. Is it a crime? Can't I render help? Go bring more of pants. I enjoy washing this one.